Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the BAPE SK8 STA. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. And let's go. So today we've got a look at the Bathing Ape, or BAPE, as it's colloquially known as. We got the SK8 STA, and we got this in the UK size 7 and it's the US 8. Unfortunately, there is no European. I can't find the European sizing, unfortunately. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So for those that don't know, a Bathing Ape, I don't really have to explain to you who a Bathing Ape is. It's BAPE. It's one of the most iconic streetwear brands to have ever graced the face of the earth, designed by and founded by Nigo, probably one of the most influential designers, just people in general, to be fair. And we've got to look at the SK8 STA. So this is one of their, how can I say this without taking offense to BAPE? Basically, if you're a fan of BAPE, you would know that one of their sneakers is kind of a copy of the Nike Air Force One. It's the BAPE STA. Where we have the SK8 STA, I would say this is not really an imitation, but it's the BAPE's take on the Nike SB Dunk. And here they are. You can kind of see the similarities, but yeah. I mean, Nike had the problem with it. It's a whole ordeal I don't want to talk about because I don't really know the gist of it. I mean, I understand the gist of the debate really, but this is a really dope sneaker. I mean, who wasn't a fan of BAPE STAs back in the early 2000s? This is obviously the skate version, the SK8 STA, but you still got that look of a BAPE STA on it. We'll get into all that details, but first we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole, and it kind of is similar to an Air Force One or the Dunk, the radial traction patterning that you find there. But you got the BAPE's, you got BAPE's famous star, and you got the name BAPE STA right there. Then the midsole unit. So this is essentially a rubber cup sole that surrounds the units right here, and you got the BAPE logo right there where it would be a Nike Air. And then the upper, so it is a bit different because typically the BAPE STA is obviously an Air Force One with the famous BAPE STA's logo on it. But this time this is essentially a take on the SB Dunk. So you can see right here at the lacing, you can kind of see this other cage where the laces go through. You can find that on a pair of SB Dunks. The whole upper is made out of cow's leather, and it's in this gorgeous blend of blue and purple, where it's predominantly more purple. And you can see the perforation holes at the toe box. As I mentioned before, you've got the famous star from BAPE. That's on the lateral side and the medial side. There. And then you look at the lacing, you got flat laces. Where I thought it would be similar to the Nike SB Dunk is that I thought it would have a fat tongue. However, it's kind of a bit more padded. It looks like a normal BAPE STA's tongue, but it's got the logo there, the BAPE STA. And then, like I said, you got the lacing system with this other cage that comes from the heel. So you look at the heel, you got the BAPE STA right there. And you look at the lateral side of the heel, you've got the 93 number to showcase that BAPE was founded in 1993. Really dope in its design. It's not as vibrant, not as flashy as a pair of BAPE, I can't believe I was going to say Nike, as a pair of BAPE STAs, but it's more subtle in its design, but it does look like a Nike Dunk. That's obviously the whole take on it, but it's really dope. Big fan of BAPE. Really excited to try this on because this is the first time, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna try a pair of BAPEs on. So here's me trying on these BAPE SK8 STA for you. fit is a bit different, guys. I've never had a pair of BAPEsters, so I can't really judge, and there's no European conversion. So what we got was a US size 8, and this is a UK size 7. Typically I wear 7.5, but these fit perfectly. So I guess go half a size down to what you typically wear if you want a good fit. And yeah, these fit fine, really cool on. It's not as loud as other BAPEsters. I'd say this is more subtle, because when I think of BAPEsters, I think of camo print. I'm thinking all the DC Marvel colours, like characters they used to do when they used to come in like the plastic when you're opening up a toy. So that's what I typically think when I think of BAPEsters. These are pretty cool on. I mean, top down it looks like I'm wearing a pair of Dunks, but obviously when I look to the side, I see that BAPEsters start. The BAPEs. Really dope sneaker, a lot of heritage, obviously with it being a BAPEster. Well, this is some skates, and yeah, I feel like it's not as iconic as the BAPEsters, the OG ones, but you know, these are cool in and of themselves. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time, peace.